The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department at 10:00 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Characters that resemble the characters from the popular Education 2 already have been seen roaming the streets of Los Angeles. It's unknown if the characters are hostile, but all people should watch out for these characters. If you see these characters, run away and call 9-1-1 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Two hours later.
Where are we?
It appears we have crash landed on the planet Satalundamak.
Give me that! Check it out!
Right now, McDonald's 6-piece chicken McNuggets are just 89 cents with the purchase of any drink and fries. It's a Disney and Pixar.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department at 10:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Characters that resemble the characters from the popular Education 2 already have been seen starting to attack police officers. It's now confirmed the characters are hostile and are breaking into people's homes and killing them. Lock all doors and windows immediately. If the characters break into your home, run away and call 9-1-1 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Good afternoon, Los Angeles. I'm your news anchor, Paul McKenzie, and this is your afternoon news. Chaos has unfolded in Los Angeles. Characters that resemble the characters from the popular Education 2 already have been seen roaming the city of Los Angeles, and now reports say they're killing people by shooting them with guns. Live in downtown Los Angeles is my news reporter, Lily McKenzie. Lily, are you on?
Yes, I'm live here in downtown Los Angeles, and it's complete chaos. People are being murdered by these characters. Some people are evacuating. Others are sheltering in place. This is crazy. Oh no, it's one of the characters. I gotta run right now. Now.
Oh my goodness, the situation in downtown Los Angeles has gotten worse. Everyone in downtown Los Angeles should shelter in place immediately. I have been notified that the emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department at 11:01 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The characters are continuing to kill people in downtown Los Angeles. Everyone in downtown Los Angeles should seek shelter immediately and shelter in place. Also, it's been identified that two of the characters' names are Chloe and Yoop. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
2 hours later.
What do big kids want? More shots! More tricks! More height! More food! Big kids want to be treated like big kids.
So you can come to Burger King and get a Burger King Big Kids meal served your way with more great tasting food, fun, and of course, a cool toy. You've got the toys.
We have interrupted our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Management Agency at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The characters including Chloe and Yup have launched 3 missiles towards Los Angeles and evacuation immediate order is in effect for areas within 400 miles of the Los Angeles metropolitan area. Bring supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery power or hand-cranked radio for more updates as they become available. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Two hours later. Four to 6 weeks later.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The USA has fallen to the iReady characters. We will cease transmission with the final playing of our national anthem. Please stand by.
Four to 6 weeks later.
The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
Important message. Canada has fallen to the iReady characters. We will cease transmission with the final playing of our national anthem. Please stand by.
Now, back to our regular programming.
In all thy sons'
to 6 weeks later.
This
Important message: Australia and many other countries has fallen to the I-ready characters, and they have killed humanity. We will cease transmission with the final playing of our national anthem. God bless the world. Please stand by.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is God by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath the radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this Commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who come across the seas, we've boundless plains to share. With courage, let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
2 hours later.